Hello everyone and welcome to Lesson 6, Basic Phrases and Vocabulary Part 3. In this lesson you will learn how to ask how someone is. Let's start. The first question is, how are you? In German we say in the formal way, Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? In an informal way we would say, Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? Or in a very short and colloquial form, we would say, Wie geht's? Wie geht's? Which is the short form of Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? Wie geht's? If you want to answer, I'm fine, thanks, and you would say, Mir geht es gut, danke. Und Ihnen? Or und dir? So, in a formal way, you would say, Mir geht es gut, danke. Und Ihnen? And in an informal way, Mir geht es gut, danke. Und dir? Let's have a closer look at the word mir, which means me, and at the words Ihnen and dir, which means you. It's about the personal pronouns in the dative case where the personal pronouns are the indirect object of the sentence. Let's have a look at one example in order to explain the dative case. For example, this sentence, I give the book to Anna. Anna is the indirect object noun, so we would say, I give the book to her. The important thing here is that the preposition to that we use in English is not used in German. So for to her in German, we would say ihr. Ihr. So there's only one way in German to express this sentence. We would say, I give her the book. As you can see, the personal pronouns in the dative case is used to indicate the noun to which something is giving to. So now let's have a closer look at the personal pronouns. As I already mentioned, the personal pronouns in the dative case is used to indicate the noun to which something is giving to. Let's have a closer look at the first person. The first word is mir, which means to me or me. The second person, dir, which means to you or you. Also here in the second person singular we have the formal form which is Ihnen. And in the third person we have ihm, which means him, ihr, which means her, and ihm, which means it. Mir, dir, ihnen, ihm, ihr, ihm. Let's continue with the first person in the plural form. Uns, which means us. In the second person, euch, which means you. Again, here we have the formal form of you, which is ihnen as well. Ihnen. And for the third person, we have the word ihnen, which means them. As you can see, the formal form of you, which means ihnen in both cases in the singular and plural form, is always capitalized. Uns, euch, ihnen. Now let's continue with a few more answers to the question, I'm fine, thanks, and you? If you want to emphasize on the fact that you are fine as well, you would say, I'm also fine, thanks, in German, Danke, mir geht es auch gut. Danke, mir geht es auch gut. If you are feeling very well, you would say, Mir geht es sehr gut. Mir geht es sehr gut. Very well means sehr gut. If you are feeling okay, you would say, Es geht. Es geht. Mir geht es sehr gut. Es geht. If you don't feel well, you would say Mir geht es nicht so gut. Mir geht es nicht so gut. Now let's have a look at 3 new words which are really easy. Yes in German is ja, ja. No, nein, nein. And maybe, vielleicht, vielleicht. Ja, nein, vielleicht. Now let's review what you just learned and let's have a look at the conversation between Anna and David. Hallo David, wie geht's? Hallo Anna, mir geht es sehr gut. Und dir? Danke, mir geht es auch gut. In this case, the conversation is more informal because, as we learned in the last lesson, Anna and David already know each other. So please repeat after me. Hallo David, wie geht's? Hallo Anna, mir geht es sehr gut. Und dir? Danke, mir geht es auch gut. This was lesson 6. I will see you in the next lesson where we will learn how to say where you are from. Danke und bis bald.